Are you looking for the best place to study for the Praxis Social Studies test? Well, you're at the right place because we're going to talk about Elementary Social Studies 7004, Geography, Anthropology, and Sociology. Hi, I am Sandra Matthews, and I have a doctorate degree in education, and I am your study.com expert, and I will help guide you to make sure that we analyze each of these questions to make sure you really know how to answer them when it comes time for the test. Why don't we go ahead and start our analysis? A classroom activity involves comparing historical maps of European colonization to present-day political boundaries. What geographical concept is being applied in this activity? Well, we're looking at some key concepts here of European colonization to present-day political boundaries. So we're talking about a time frame here, and that's the geographical concept. So A, absolute location. Well, absolute location is referring to fixed coordinates like latitude and longitude. And this is not about pinpointing exact locations, but about how boundaries have shifted over time. Let's go to B, human environmental interaction. This concept focuses on how humans adapt or modify or depend on their environment and not about political boundaries. Letter C, change over time. Well, right there we have this present day political boundary, and they're talking about change over time. And so therefore it compares past and present maps, and it is the correct answer. But let's go ahead and look at D, spatial distribution. Again, they're talking about how things are spread across space, but we are talking in this question about present day political boundaries, and that is a time frame. So change over time is the correct answer. Which of the following is the correct definition of latitude? And when you deal with latitude, it is dealing with a distance that is north or south of the equator. The latitude is a measurement, how far a location is north or south, and it is measured in a horizontal direction on maps and globes. And that's just something that you need to be very aware of. And let's go ahead and see what else we have here. The distance of east or west in the prime meridian, and that's longitude. So we are looking at latitude instead. How about letter C, the height above sea level? And that refers to elevation, and we are again talking about latitude. And the final, the angle of the Earth's tilt, and the Earth's tilt is an axial tilt which causes seasons, but we are definitely talking about latitude. So the correct answer is A. How does deforestation primarily affect the environment? So again, we're talking about deforestation and how it is affecting the environment. And again, deforestation involves large-scale removal of trees. It affects ecosystems and the climate and the biodiversity. It is one of the environment's largest harm and deals with rising CO2 levels. So let's take a look at this. A, it improves soil fertility in affected areas. Short term, it could, but over long term, it is going to actually cause, degradation of the soil, and it's going to cause worse deforestation. B, it increases the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and that is the correct answer. It does increase that carbon dioxide. C, it decreases water vapor in the atmosphere. And again, when you take that water vapor out, then you're going to have this very, problem with having not enough humidity, not causing enough ability for it to rain, and then becoming a drought. So letter D, it creates more farmland for food production. Well, at the beginning, it might create some farmland, but it's going to destroy the soil and cause greater deforestation. So the correct answer to that question is letter B. It increases the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Which of the following would best demonstrate how cultural practices affect human interaction with the environment? Let's look at letter A, the development of new technologies for energy production. Well, let's go back to the question and let's analyze it. This is looking for cultural practices that affect human interaction with the environment. And they're here talking about new technologies for energy production, so that does not work. B, the creation of cities along major rivers for trade purposes. Again, we're looking for cultural practices, and the creation of cities is not necessarily a cultural practice in the environment. Letter C, the movement of people from rural to urban areas. Well, that definitely does happen, but it's not an actual cultural practice that also connects to the environment. How about letter D, the use of traditional farming methods that are well suited to local climates? Well, right there we have the environment part of that, and we have traditional farming, which is a cultural practice. So letter D is the best fit for that. So D, the use of traditional farming methods that are well suited to local climates. Thanks for being here with us at study.com. We have all kinds of materials, playlists, an entire course on the Praxis Elementary Education Social Studies Subtest 7004. We have customizable materials, very targeted videos, and we have the latest test updates. We want to make sure that when you're with us, we can guarantee your success. Also, people that use our materials have a 92% success rate. So why don't you go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like this video, and we would love to hear your comments and also stories. Thanks so much for watching, and happy studying.